In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Apple student discount code in India. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Apple student discount code India. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Unidays. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes and offers that we can use in order to get some discounts for students. So what you'll have to do right here is just you'll need to find the best offer for you. And for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one right here, all you need to do is tap right here where it says get now, and you'll be redirected to this page right here. So what you'll have to do is to insert your personal email address in this box right here, and then you'll have to hit the agree and continue button. And after that, you will be able to receive your student discount on email, and you can access that offer from your email address. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.